Hi, today we will talk about birds. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and look at my channel. Let's start. Birds are some of the most fascinating and diverse creatures on the planet. With over 10,000 species soaring across skies, forests, deserts, and oceans. They are masters of adaptation, beauty, and intrigue. From the tiniest hummingbird, flapping its wings at an astonishing 80 beats per second, to the mighty albatross gliding effortlessly across vast ocean expanses. Birds are a marvel of nature. Let's talk about their incredible superpower, flight. Have you ever wondered how birds manage to defy gravity so gracefully? Their feathers play a huge role. Not only are they lightweight and aerodynamic, but they also provide insulation and are often dazzlingly colorful. And get this, feathers are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up our hair and nails. Add to that a bird's hollow bones and powerful chest muscles, and you have a perfectly engineered flying machine. But birds are not just about flying. Penguins, for instance, have traded their wings for fins, becoming expert swimmers. Meanwhile, ostriches and emus dominate the ground, running at speeds that can outrun most predators. Each bird species has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing the limitless creativity of evolution. And their songs? Birds are nature's musicians, serenading us with melodies that range from the soothing coos of doves to the intricate symphonies of nightingales. Did you know that birds like parrots and crows are also incredible mimics? Some can imitate human speech, car alarms, or even chainsaws. The lyrebird of Australia takes it to another level, replicating the sounds of its surroundings with almost eerie precision. Speaking of intelligence, birds are far smarter than many people give them credit for. Crows and ravens, in particular, are like the Einsteins of the avian world. They use tools, solve puzzles, and even recognize individual human faces. Some crows have been observed placing nets on roads for cars to crack open, and then retrieving the kernels once the coast is clear. Genius, right? Birds also play vital roles in our ecosystems. They are pollinators, seed dispersers, and pest controllers. Hummingbirds, for example, are essential for pollinating countless species of flowers, while birds of prey like hawks and owls keep rodent populations in check. Without birds, our ecosystems would look vastly different and not for the better. But let's not forget their beauty. From the shimmering plumage of peacocks to the fiery red of a cardinal. Against a winter backdrop, birds bring color and joy to our world. The bird of paradise, with its elaborate courtship dances, looks like it stepped right out of a dream. And who can resist the charm of a puffin, with its bright orange beak and waddling walk? For today, those informations are enough. See you guys next time. Bye.